So in today's tutorial, we are going to look at how to get a font, any type of font from an image. So without further ado, let's head right in. So there is actually three ways you can do this, and then I'm going to show you the three sites you can use to get the any type of font you want in your image. So the first one is just to go to your Chrome browser. If you just go to your Chrome browser, okay, I'm already on the font. So this the font is actually for when you have gotten the font and you just want to download it. So going with the first one. So the first one I'm going to talk about is what's the font. So just type what's the font in your Chrome browser, and this also have an app, so you can actually go check out the app if you're using an Android phone. I think the app is an Android. I don't know about iOS, but the font is on Android. So I'm going to search for it. So it's called what's the font. What's the font? Okay, so this is what's the font.com. Since there, what's the font? Then just type what's the font, and then you will see the web page. You just appear. Just type what's the font so that you won't get confused and it won't direct you to other place. So click on the first web page that will appear. All right. So I'm just going to accept all cookies and then head right in. Browse for fonts category. So I'm going to search for the font. So what this is the interface of this web page. What you are going to do is to type and click on upload an image. So I'm going to pick any image. So let's say I get the image. So let's say this picture now. I want to search out the font. This particular picture, I want to search out the font. All I have to do is to screenshot it or download it, and then when it comes to my gallery, so that I can be able to have the picture handy when I want to get the particular font I'm looking for. So I'm just going to click on the image and click on done. Then it will upload the image. So this is the image now. So since you got here, all you have to do is to drag. As you can see, there is something like a square, so you have to drag it to the particular kind of font you want you are searching. So is this font that is used in this Kemi, so I'm going to search it out. So after that, there's this Kemi, so you're going to see identify font. Let me show you. There's an identify font here. So I'm just going to click, and then I click on identify font and let it do the magic. So yes, it's going to give me different kind of fonts that will also be liking to the kind of font I'm looking for. Okay, all right. This is not asking you to pay. Let me just explore and see. So look at the font name, Hammond expanded. So you can go ahead and just do it. So the second one I'm going to show us is called, so search for Machereto. So this is Machereto. Just search for Machereto and it will just bring out these pages. You can see font spring and then www.fontspring. It's just showing you different font finder. Then the font Machereto. Find the font from an image. Yes, so that this is different you can use. Let's look for the let's go for this font spring. Okay, font Machereto. Okay, select an image. All you have to do is to upload the image. Click on upload an image. Click on your file and let's get this image. Select the image and it will upload it. Just don't worry, it's uploading. So all I have to do is just to take just, you can see, just let the square search. So let's call this a square search. I don't know what it's called. So So after that, you can actually maturate it. All right, just scroll down and maturate it. Click here to crop your image. So just click okay. Just scroll down and you see the font that matches. So font that matches F for Lacy, and then Kfimi, Grifimi. All these are fonts that you can actually get, and this font matches. I think I like this one. This actually matches better. This this magical also match it. You can actually go and search for it in your Da Fonts website, and then you can download the font. So that's basically it. And then the other one I want to show us is the other one is Font Squirrel. So Font Squirrel. So let's type Font Squirrel. Font Squirrel. Yes, Font Squirrel. All right. So this is it. This is it. This is it. Fontsquirrel.com. Fontsquirrel.com. So just click on it, and font identifier. Click on font identifier. Then click on upload your image. Click on file. Click on the bring in the image you want to. Select it and let it upload. It's uploading. Alright. All you have to do is to select the particular place you want. And then after doing that, you can go ahead and maturate it. So this is it. This is the font I want to search. And after that, I'll just scroll down. It's just almost the same thing, and then maturate it. You can see maturate it, then maturate it. It's going to bring in the similar font. It's looking for the font. Okay. Font identifier. After you maturate it, just go down. You will see something like this. If the font is not in a plain background, it's going to show you this definitely, so that you could identify the one that is the shape and the text. So you're just going to type K-E. This K now, you type K. I was the one who put it on this K. I typed K here. This is the shape, so they don't need to type anything. Type I, and then there's nothing else to type here. Then EM, type EM for the KME, and that is it. Once you are done, you click on maturate it, and if you just click on maturate it and then scroll down, it will give you the other similar fonts. So once you are done, click on maturate it, and it will give you other similar fonts. So you can see this is other similar fonts, and some of these fonts are free. This is K, this is K, all those kind of fonts. This one is K. I think this one looks like what we are looking for. And basically, it's not going to show you the font exactly, but it's going to show you similarities of the font. And I must tell you, you can actually use any similarity of any font that you found, and then do your design, and it will still serve the same purpose. All right, so this is exactly how to found it. So let's say you like this font. Now let's say you like the font. Okay, so let's say you like this KEI font. What you have to do is to download it. Click on it and download it, and then you download it. You can actually download your font from Da Fonts, or just type, or you can get the font. This font name is called I think Vol. I think this is the font name. This is Vol. You can go ahead and download it. So I just click on download, and the font will be downloaded. So it is a zipped file. So after downloading the font, what you have to do is to go to your user archiver. So just go to your user archiver. Okay, if you don't have this, you can find it on the Play Store. You go to Play Store and type user archiver, and then download it. So user archiver, anyone. So it's asking me to update. I don't want to do that right now. So what I have to do is to open my user archiver. So once I open my user archiver, Let me just go back. I'll go to my download option. Wait, what's happening? So I go to my download option. So I will find the font. I think I will just have to search it for Vol. What's the font name there? So let's go back. It's called Vol. So I'll just search it VOOR and then search. So this is the font Vol. So I'm going to click on this and click on extract. Click on this first one. Click on the zip first one and then click on extract. So once you extract it, you either create a folder. So you either create a folder. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to create a folder. Click on my and then click on new font and then call it Vol font. So you don't have to keep creating a folder anytime you extract your font. You don't have to keep doing this. It's just for the sake of this tutorial. But the first time you're going to do is it's good that you create a folder so you will know what you want to do. So I'm going to click on OK, and then I will paste. This is the folder now. So all I have to do is to click on this green icon. This green icon here. If I click on it, it will paste the font, the particular font, so I can see that the font is here already. Alright, so once you are done, you will just go to your pixellab. So let's go to my pixellab. I'll go to my pixellab now and click on my pixellab. So I'm now on my pixellab. I'll just click on cancel and then click on go to my fonts. So go to fonts, and then if I come over here now, I will click on this plus icon, this particular font icon now. I'll click on it, use my Zack. I will just open one, and I'll go to my download, locate where you have your download, and you can search for the file. So I'll just go for you know the name that you use in opening the file. So I'm just going to search for Vol. Click on it. So I think this is Vol font. You can see the file here. This is Vol font. So I'm just going to click on it, go to fonts and include it inside. Alright, so it's now inside this. So if I want to search out this font now, I can just click on Vol, and this is the fonts you have downloaded. So exactly like this, and then that is it. That is how to import your font into pixellab after downloading it. And thank you for this tutorial. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I post my video, you are going to be the first to see it. And you can get your phone, any kind of font you want in that font, or type the name of the font in your Chrome browser and it will appear. So let me just show us. So let's say you want to type for Vol. So let's keep using this Vol fonts, and then click on the search button. It will just go, and then you see that the Vol font is also on that font. So if you just click on this place now, it's going to direct you to that font, and then you can get this font. If you just click on this, look at this place now. So if you click over here, look at this place. Alright, so you're going to get the font, the particular font you got to download it. You just download the font. If you click on download, the font will be downloaded, and you can be able to import it in your pixellab just the way I showed you. So thank you, and God bless you for watching. See you in the next tutorial, and please subscribe.